If you want to go abroad through an inter-university agreement, it's a good idea to check out all the possible universities and find the one that fits your needs. Once you have found the institution you want to go to, then you go to the web apps of the Charles University and log in. Here you find the bar inter-university agreements. On this page you can do two actions, either apply or revise your applications. That means you can look at your applications, change them, or even cancel them before you submit them. Now I'm going to show you how to apply. Here you can see the list of all the possible universities, but you can find a country of your desires and type it in. Here you can also find the exact university you want to go to, but if you have not decided yet, then it's okay, you can leave this blank. And then you fill out the program you're studying at the moment. And click search. This is going to show you all the possible universities in the country you typed in, and you're going to find your desired university and apply. In this phase, you have to fill out all the information about your current study. That means you're going to choose your home institution, which is going to be Faculty of Social Sciences, your degree program, either bachelor's, master's, or doctoral, form of study, and the number of completed semesters. And that is for your current degree program. So, for example, when you're studying master's, you're not going to count in the semesters you completed during your bachelor studies. Then you're going to fill out the grade point average, which you can find in your student information system. And then you're going to choose the desired duration of study. So that means either academic year, semester, or in this case, a trimester. And in the preferred date, you will fill out the semester and the year when you want to go abroad. So that means if you want to go somewhere for the winter semester, you're going to choose 1st of October until the 31st of January. And if you want to travel for the summer semester, then you're going to choose 1st of February until the 30th of June. And if you wish to study for the whole year, then you're going to choose 1st of October until the 30th of June. And then you send it. Here you can see your application, but it's not complete yet. You have to fill out all the important information and attach required documents. In contact details, you have to provide your telephone number, your email, and your contact address. Then you have to fill out your emergency contact, which is probably going to be someone from your family. You type in their name and send. Here you also going to be required to provide address, email, and telephone number of your in this case, mother. Then you need to attach required documents. That is also going to be a little bit different depending on the university you're applying for, but usually it's going to be something like CV, letter of motivation, and study plan, and so on. In the case of study plan and GDPR form, those can be found on the webpage of Faculty of Social Sciences. In the case of language certificate, you can either provide an official certificate or a certificate that the Center of Language Preparation at the Faculty of Social Sciences provides. And then you add the files, choose them from your computer, and upload them to the site. Once you're done, it is a good idea to double check everything, because once you submit the application, you're not going to be able to change anything. So please double check everything, all the information and all the required documents. And then you can submit. If everything's correct, the pop-up window will tell you that your application was successfully submitted. But that doesn't mean it's the end of the process, because now, if you're applying for more than one university, you have to send an email to the address studyabroad@fsv.cuni.cz with the preferred order of the applications. And once you've finished those 2 steps, that means applying via web apps and then sending your preferences to the email address, you're done. You can apply up to 3 universities in one round. Good luck!